Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the back end of your school website and how to organize and find articles. So in order to do this, we have to go to the back end of your website. So you're going to go to your website's name /administrator. You're going to get a screen like this. Once you're logged into the back of the website, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. There we go. Make things a little bit bigger and easier to see. Alright, there are two different ways that we can access articles. Over here on the left-hand side of the back-end homepage, we can just click on Articles. It will have a stack of papers next to it. Mouse over it, click on it, you'll go to Articles. If you are somewhere else besides the homepage, you can always go up to the top, click on Content, and then select Articles. So two different ways to get there. Once we are on the articles page, we're going to see an interface that looks like this. Off to the left, they'll have articles, categories, featured articles, fields, field groups, all that. Don't worry about that stuff. If you need to create a new article, you're going to click this green button, create a new article. But we're here to look at our articles and learn how to search for them. So, if I scroll through here, I'm going to see a number of things. First and foremost, I'm going to see the name, aka the title, of my articles. Then I'm going to see who made the article. I'm going to see when the article was created. This can all be very useful information when you're trying to figure out what an article is or what you're doing with it. You can also see in the title section category, and then it will tell you which of the three categories it is. Is it a slideshow? Is it uncategorized, meaning does it show up in the normal menu? Or is it a front page? Let's see if we can find a front page example. Here we go, way down here at the bottom. Now, there are some icons off here to the side. You're going to see a little box. You can click this box and then apply any of these buttons at the top to that particular article. This will allow you to select multiple articles at once and affect them all together as a group, which is pretty useful. You will also see that there are some green check marks and red circles. Green check marks denote that this is published material and your audience will be able to see it. A red circle means it is not visible to your audience. You can click the circle and turn it into a check. You can click the check and turn it into a circle. There we go. So, that's pretty useful. Now, let's say that you need to delete something. You can select the little checkbox next to it, and then go to the top, and you're going to look for a trash can button. It will say trash and have a picture of a trash can on it. And while it's selected, with that little box checked, you're going to hit it, and it will delete it. And to show you one more time, I can go up here, click that little box, go over here, trash can, delete it. There we go. What if I delete something on accident, or what if I'm looking for something that I think a previous webmaster or a different webmaster may have put in the trash? Well, I'm going to show you how to search for that using the search tool. So up here with the search tool, you can do standard stuff where you just type in a keyword, hit search, and then it will search using that keyword. If you don't like what you found, you could always hit clear and try again. Keywords are not great for searching unless you know one of the keywords in the title, so that is why they have expanded search tools. If I click on search tools, more options will pop out of the bottom. I can search whether it is in the trash can. If it's unpublished, published, archived. By default, it is only going to search for, I believe, published and unpublished. You can also tell it to search everything, and it will search all four of those locations. In this instance, I said I wanted to look in the trash, so I'm going to say, show me everything that's in the trash. And it does. These are all articles that are in the trash. Now, there is a new button that appears where the publish or unpublish button would be. It is a little trash can. If I click on this little trash can, it will take the article out of the trash and publish it, which is pretty useful. So if you are looking for something that was trashed that wasn't supposed to be, you could go in here, find it, and then just click the little trash can and it will publish it, which is very useful. All right, so that's how you look for something that is in the trash. What if I am trying to sort out all of my slideshow articles? I've made too many slideshow articles. I want to see how many slideshow articles I have. I want to see them all in one place. So you can click on, while you're in Advanced Search Tools, click on Category and select Slideshow. Now it will only display pages that are in the slideshow category, and you won't see any of the other articles. This will allow you to kind of go through and take a look at them. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to preview these. So if you are curious what the content of one of these slides is, you can right-click on the title. So let's say, what is Youth Art Month and do we need it? I can right-click on it and select Open in New Tab. And up here at the top of my browser, a new tab opens. And I could go in and take a look at this article. Okay, it's a cool article. Must have made a very interesting slide for the slideshow. It's currently unpublished. Do we need it? Is this the slide I was looking for? Only you know those answers. But when I'm done checking it out, I could just hit close. And then I could close this tab and be back where I was before. I don't have to open it in a new tab. I could just say, hey, what is school supplies? I could click on it. I could go in and take a look at it and say, nope, this isn't the slide I need either. I can go ahead and hit the close button. And I'll be back here. And it's still only showing me slideshow articles. And I can kind of go through and figure out what article I'm looking for, thanks to having it all sorted out. Now, I will tell you, as you are kind of going through and previewing your stuff, please make sure that even though you are just checking it out, you still exit using the close button. If I go in here and say, nope, this isn't the slide I needed, and I hit the back button on my browser, I will lock myself out of that article and everyone else out as well. So please make sure that when you are done checking out your articles, you do use close or save and close if you make changes to it in order to exit, or you will lock yourself out of it. I'll go ahead and unlock this real quick. There we go. So as you can see, there are a number of different ways that you can sort through your different articles to better manage them and figure out which ones you need, which ones you don't, and there are quick ways to publish, unpublish, trash, and untrash articles. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in showing you a bit more about how you can manage the articles of your website through the back-end interface. As always, if you need any assistance, please reach out to me for help.